Earning money online is a great way to supplement your income, or even to make a living, without having to leave your home. Here are some of the best options available. Taking surveys. There are many websites and apps that pay users for taking surveys. These surveys can range from market research surveys to product testing surveys. Some popular websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Windale Research. Freelance work. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular area, such as writing, graphic design, or web development, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission for promoting a product or service. All you need to do is sign up for an affiliate program, promote their products, and get a commission for every sale you make. Selling online. Online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, and Etsy allow you to sell items you no longer need, or handmade or vintage items, for a profit. This is a great way to turn your clutter into cash. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, you can earn money by offering online tutoring services. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing and are knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can start a blog and earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. If you have a creative mind and a passion for creating content, this could be a great opportunity for you.